Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about how to wake up early in the morning. Waking up early has been linked to increased productivity, better mental health, and a more positive outlook on life. But we all know how difficult it can be to actually get out of bed in the morning. So, in this video, we're going to give you some tips and tricks to make waking up early a little bit easier. Tip number 1, gradually adjust your wake-up time. One of the best ways to wake up early is to gradually adjust your wake-up time. Start by waking up just 15 minutes earlier each day, and gradually increase this time until you're waking up at your desired time. This helps your body adjust to the new sleep schedule without feeling like you're forcing yourself to wake up early all at once. Tip number 2, create a bedtime routine. Creating a bedtime routine can help signal to your body that it's time to start winding down for the night. This can include things like turning off electronics an hour before bedtime, taking a warm bath or shower, or reading a book. By creating a consistent routine, you can train your body to start feeling sleepy around the same time every night, making it easier to wake up early in the morning. Tip number 3, use an alarm clock with natural sounds. Waking up to a jarring alarm sound can be a shock to the system, making it even harder to get out of bed. Instead, try using an alarm clock with natural sounds like birds chirping or waves crashing. These sounds can help your body wake up more gently, making it easier to get out of bed and start your day. Tip number 4, keep your phone out of reach. It's all too easy to hit the snooze button on your phone and go back to sleep for another few minutes. To avoid this, try keeping your phone out of reach, so you have to physically get out of bed to turn off the alarm. This small action can make a big difference in helping you wake up early and start your day on the right foot. And that's it for our tips on how to wake up early in the morning. We hope you found these tips helpful, and if you have any other tips for waking up early, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.